Washburn?
Yes.
Okay. We'll get it.
Is Boots popping? Oh. Oh, alright. What's up, Neil?
Well, no, you doing alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Ready for this church and something down here?
Yeah, two of them.
Yep.
Hey, calm down, man.
That guy, his roommate, I got his phone call.
We're trying to work something out.
Okay.
Are you from Markville?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'll talk to you.
Alright. So, I'm going to present you with two affidavits.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, it's your charges. So, this is for Joshua David Washburn. Where's your date of birth? Date of birth is 2/12/1984.
Yes, ma'am.
One is going to be for wearing a mask, basically in public, and resisting arrest.
Okay.
So I'm going to read this first one to you.
Okay.
It says, I personally appear before me the affiant JDubAudits. He's the one who's doing the charges.
Yeah, I know. I just can't talk to him right now.
So, description of offense, mask wearing. I further state that there is probable cause to believe that the defendant named above did commit the crime set forth, and that probable cause is based on the following facts. That on 10/31/24 at approximately 3 p.m., the defendant Joshua Washburn did knowingly, intentionally, and unlawfully commit the crime of wearing a mask in the public after being shown the statute, and did willingly refuse to remove the mask upon request. This act is taking place at 105 Bird Street, the Barnwell Police Department, within the city limits of Barnwell. This act being in violation of the South Carolina Code of Laws of 1976 as amended.
You know how ridiculous that sounds.
I ain't do the charges.
I understand.
I didn't do the
but I'm
charges.
just saying, it's Halloween, and we just had 3 years of it. I'm not getting on you, but it just sounds funny.
This is the second one. Resisting arrest is personally appear before me, the affiant JDubAudits.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, he's the one who did the charges. I further state that there is probable cause to believe that the defendant named above did commit the crime set forth, and that probable cause is based on the following facts. That on 10/31/24 at approximately 3 p.m., the defendant Joshua Washburn did knowingly, intentionally, and unwillfully actively resist arrest by pulling away and tensing his arms while being placed under arrest for the crime of wearing a mask in public. This act taking place at 105 Bird Street, the Barnwell Police Department, within the city limits of Barnwell. This act is in violation of South Carolina Code of Laws 1976 as amended.
That's why you film everything, everybody. Always film everybody all the time. Have multiple angles also. That's how I told you, Neil, what they hit me for, bud. I tried to tell you, bro. Doing a Freedom of Information Act request. And
I guess I signed it here.
That's the paper I tried to show you yesterday. I still got his name here also.
Yeah, his name, his full name, and then the date.
1:30.
All right, it's court today too still?
Yeah, you probably get it.
I appreciate y'all.
Three
They
o'clock.
just read them. Wearing a mask in public. I didn't do nothing, I swear. I don't break laws. I go I wasn't in the commission of a crime when I was wearing that mask in public, like I understand. Chapter 16 is crimes against other people. Title 16 is crimes against other persons, and chapter 3 is what that falls under, and then whatever else it was. You have to be committing a crime against someone else for that to be a fact. You just misinterpreted the law. Everyone makes mistakes, it's okay. These ones cost the taxpayers dearly. I have no other choice but to sue. These are PR bonds too, aren't they?
You asking the wrong one. That's up to the judge.
I'm pretty sure. I
I'll
know.
keep both of these.
You give him the
Yeah, I get a copy.
and you keep moving.
You can tell I don't do these often.
Okay, get a copy for you.
Normally I be signing here.
Yeah, you're fine, man. Thank you. He's gonna lose this case and his job. I said this to Ray Crawford, Maurice Laverne Huggins,
Okay.
and to Brian Gray. They're losing their job.
Walk there.
Boots, why you didn't tell me where I was supposed to sign? I done forgot where to sign at.
I'll make some
Oh,
copies.
here. Before I steal your pen.
You need one? Like you need one.
No, I got one.
sure?
It's in the truck.
Ain't no problem.
Just because you're proud.